This video is going to show you how to add a user field and link it to the new lookup table we just created. We're going to go to Administration, User Defined Fields, and the IV Fluids is going to be under EMS Patient Procedures. If we do an IV, in here we can put in the type of fluid that we introduced. So we're going to go to our Patient Procedure User Fields and click Setup. And I have a number of different tabs that I keep information on. We're going to be going under the IVIO tab. We're going to create a new field. We're going to call the field name the same thing we called the category, which is IV Fluid. The caption, we're going to go ahead and clean up just a little bit with all the proper cases. The length is going to be the length of our lookup table. By default it was 15 when we created it, and I usually just leave it at 15. We're going to link it to a lookup table, and we're going to find the one that we just created, which is under User Defined Field Codes, and we can go right down here under IV Fluids and select. Now what we have is a place where we can say what IV fluid we administered. I'm going to go ahead and open up a patient care report and show you how that'll look there. So here I've opened up a patient care report, and in here I've got the procedure box opened up. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and add a procedure code, and I've got my procedures kind of grouped under the different types of procedures that I can do. I've kind of cleaned up the list a little bit to make it easier to see, and I'm putting it in a video here so you can get an idea of how I've got them set up if you want to copy them. But for this we're going to do an IV extremity. Click OK. We're going to go to Other, to User Fields, and then my user fields will line up with the different types of procedures that I'm performing. Under IVIO you can see the new table, the new field that links to the lookup table, and if I click on this box, the items are all available to be able to say what I used. We save that and close it. Anytime we add something to our lookup table, we'll see that available as an option under our user field. The next video is going to show you how to add that information to a patient care report.